did all this and the camera wasn't recording, so we're doing it again. But today is Tuesday and I have a couple things that I want to do today. We're like halfway through January and it's not giving New Year. I feel like after Christmas, I don't know what was going on, but I was just feeling very like meh for like 2 weeks straight. I don't know what it was, but like finding the energy to like do anything was difficult for some reason. And then week 2 of January, I was on my period and my periods are pretty bad. So yeah, also the energy to do anything was on the ground. So now it's week 3 of January. I'm trying to actually get on my stuff. I'm tired of being in a little slump. I'm putting my contacts in right now because I'm going out later tonight and I'd rather just have been from now. So whenever I'm actually getting ready, I always seem to forget about my contacts. And why does my voice want to go away so bad? Like, where are you going? To keep myself productive, I always make a to-do list the night before. So we are gonna go through my to-do list. So first thing is to film. So we're filming this video here. Confirm my plans for tonight, which I just did. We are good for 9 p.m. I also have a wax appointment coming up sometime this month. I don't know when, but I want to call and cancel that and reschedule it at a different place because I found a different wax place that's closer to me. Ordered something on Amazon. I never got it, so I need to reach out to Amazon. I also did an interview a couple days ago, so I'm going to send them a follow-up email. But anyways, I'm talking a lot. I'm going to be decorating my room soon, which I'm so excited for. Yesterday, I was working on a little project to go with my room, and I filmed that, so I'm gonna insert that here. Hey, today is Monday. I think I'm about to paint. Also, look at what happened. Yeah. For the past like 5 days, I've been watching my niece and my nephew because their parents went on a little trip. So I'm here trying to put my nephew's little pull-ups on for him to go to bed. Steps on my nail, and it was just dripping blood. This is where we're at. Plan on decorating my room soon, and I wanted to get art to put above my bed, but it was like $120 and I didn't want to pay for it. So I was like, why don't I make it myself? Hopefully this goes well. Let me take off the Aritzia tracksuit. Me not paint in this because I do not have the money to replace it. I just came back from school. Oh my goodness, I forgot I left this recording. What are you talking about? Okay. Hi guys.
Yeah, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed in the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school.
Wait, I'm actually scared.
I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the other two, so I'll be back when I'm done. So I did not end up showing the final paintings yesterday, so here they are. This is what they look like. How do you like it? Does it look good? Does it look cool? Does it look like abstract painting? Or does it look like a mess? Be honest. Let me know. I went from $120 to, I think I spent about $30 at the dollar store.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, I call him cash it. Run you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you do in the past tense. I ain't no Julie style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my say speak freely. Hey.
For contacting Amazon. This call could be recorded for quality assurance. If you requested this call, please say yes.
Yes.
Best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my habits time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can see it. I'm blind.
It's like a couple hours later. It is 7:03 p.m. and I'm currently getting ready. We're going out tonight. We're going out bowling tonight. We'll see how that goes. I've been bowling like once in my life and that's probably in like grade 4, grade 5. So it's like A, it's been years. B, you see the nails. And C, my dominant hand is injured. So we'll see how this goes. I did my hair already and I filled in my brows. So now we're just gonna do the rest of the face. But I'm gonna listen to music. So you guys are just gonna be here.
Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. I am the topic of conversation. It's a celebration. Let's toast to the fact that I moved out my mama basement to a condo downtown. Cause it's all about location. I sit and drink wine and watch Californication of life. You should have been here to kick it with me. We could have split this whole thing up 50-50. But now I'm at the 40-40 getting bitches tipsy. Killing shit, the ever so talented Mr. Ripley. How I go from being the man that you argue with to me and Dwayne Carter putting out the hardest shit. I should wanna go back to the one I started with. But I'm addicted to this life, it's gonna be hard to quit. Yeah, just ask me how things are coming along. You can tell me that you never heard none of my songs. Long as you end up saying one day you plan to listen. Cause what's a star when it's most important man is missing? All I know, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain.
Let you know, even though I'm good without you, I'm fucking with you regardless. Okay, here's the face. We cute or whatever. It is 7:25. I did my makeup in about 20 minutes. But this is like my everyday necklace stack. We got the Y for Yaya. And then we got the 777, which I got for my birthday. But this is not what we're wearing tonight, actually. And me with no chains on, like I feel like my neck looks so bare. Like I'm looking at myself and I'm like, something is missing. Like, what is going on? This is the necklace we're wearing tonight. It's just like a little like diamond Cuban chain. I got this in the shortest size. I think this is the 18-inch, but I actually ordered this off of Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. So it's not real. Anyways, that's what it looks like. My shirt's gonna have like a little V-neck, so you're gonna see it more. The little touch. I'm gonna chill for an hour and I'll show you guys the outfit before I go, of course. Okay guys, we're putting the outfit on. I just put on, these are my new flare leggings from Aritzia. So we're gonna wear these. And we're also gonna wear my new Aritzia sweater. My little quarter zip. Both of these were actually my Christmas gifts this year. Here is the outfit. I'm just going to clean up my makeup and stuff from getting ready. Because this is what the vanity is looking like. And then just waiting on the cue to leave the house. And we'll be out. Also, before I forget to show you guys, this is the scent of the night. This is Valentino Born in Roma Intense. And it smells so good. It's like grown, sexy. Yeah, that's what it gives. Exactly what it gives. This, the next day, I'm still smelling that smell. Yeah.
Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Cross shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on the temper, got me burning up. Shorty since she graduated, she ain't learning up. Play the album track 1, K, I heard enough. Girl, the driver downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new stick, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown in NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey, Bo Taker shades with a great sense. Introduce me to a yeah, mix.
Morning. Today is Thursday, so I was tapped out for a couple hours because of that headache, and then when it went away, I actually ended up going and running errands with my friend. Like, she had a bunch of errands she wanted to do, and I was kind of just tagging along, being passenger princess. But I don't know, that was fun, that was vibes. So I kind of wish I brought you guys with me, at least like filmed on my phone or something, but I didn't. But anyways, today's a new day. It's Thursday. I kind of want to clean my space. I did a whole like Monday reset, like resetting for the new year when it was the beginning of the new year, but then I was like out for the beginning of the new year, like the first two and a half weeks. So I feel like now this is the start of the new year for me. Like, now we need to reset. Now we need to get back on our BS. Anyways, let's clean. We're wasting time. I'm feeling so much better already, so much lighter. But we have cleaned the room, bed is made, floor is vacuumed. I also cleaned my bathroom as well. My load is now in the dryer, so I'm waiting for that to be finished. New Year's reset is in full effect. We're a little late, but better late than never. Next video, I will be decorating my room, which I'm so excited for. I hope you guys are excited too to see the whole transformation. I think I'm going to be posting that video even when my room isn't fully completed yet, because I need you guys' help with the decor ideas. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get triple the content from me. And I'll see you guys Friday with another video. Bye!